Good morning, boys and girls, but I think I'll change that to, the reason I say that is, in reality, we're all just little boys and little girls. So, anyway, this is my cigarette butt recycling setup. I built this maybe 10, 12 years ago. I really don't remember, on the East Coast. Pretty simple. It's got a gearbox motor. In a bin, I chuck a half a dozen stainless steel nuts in there. That power supply, this is 12 volt, that power supply I built for my mat, my heated mat, pet mat, and it failed, even though it was meant to be double the rating, it's not. So you get caught in these things. So we'll come back, I'll get a few handfuls of butts in there and we'll go from there. Right, this all started, I don't know, 10 or 14 years ago when I was on the East Coast, and I was doing everything to not pay taxes on cigarettes. So, I mean, it's my Jewish ancestry. So there it is. I'll put this in there and I'll come back to you when I get it going. Originally I built this to use the cut-off shredder, but it failed. It wasn't strong enough. So we'll start it and let it tumble. It's been about 10 minutes, so we'll stop it. I'm trying to do this one-handed. It probably won't work that well, but never mind. Do what we can do. Tip it down. Open it up. So there we have it. Now, not all of these will be empty. Don't worry about it. What you get is what you get. The way I look at it, it's free tobacco. So we just get the bin. This is a 1/4 inch, maybe 6 mil. Tip the lot in there. You see all that tobacco. Just move it around. Move around. Recover all your nuts. There's still a lot of tobacco there, but you get the nuts out of here. For the next load, I think it's half a dozen, I'm not sure. So just give it a shake it around. That's about it. So what we've got is a heap of tobacco in there. And we've got a heap of empty cigarette butts. So that's the start of it. And we'll go and put this through the kitchen strainer and we can use it. You can see there's quite a lot of tobacco now. There's a bit of a trick here. Make sure you get rid of all the fines and give it a decent... I use the kitchen strainer and it works. That gives me, for the Paramedic 3, this one works pretty darn good. Give it a good shake. You'll lose quite a bit, but don't worry about it because otherwise you'll have jams. Not sure this will work that well on the Paramedic 3. It works on the Hawkmatic because it's twice as strong. So if you look at that, there's, I don't know, about 20 cigarettes. Right, now we'll see how well it works. You will get jams, but I think I got this okay. Perfect cigarette. Well, it's another shit day in paradise. No sun, it's cold. But however, we got a perfect cigarette. Look at that grey ash. That's what you get from recycling your tobacco. and it tastes pretty good. This is probably, I don't know, 10 years old, so it's well and truly matured.